Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can disable two-step authentication in the Instagram app on your device. But before you start watching this video, friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to give your likes and write your comments. Well, let's get down to the topic with you. And open the Instagram app please on your device. After that, go to your account. Next, you'll need to click on the three bars on the top right. Next, go to the Meta Account Center. Now here, select the password and security option. Next is two-factor authentication. Next, please select your Instagram account. After that, please select the method that you have secured your Instagram with and please follow next. Now, in order for you to disable your two-step authentication, you will need to follow some instructions that you will see on the screen so that you can see the option to disable authentication. If you, friends, have two-step authentication via SMS on WhatsApp, then select this option, click Next. After that, friends, you will be able to see the option to disable authentication. You may need to enter the password before that, which will come to you on WhatsApp. These are the ways you can disable two-step authentication on Instagram. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and also be sure to put your likes. Bye everyone.